power of AI has got two benefits. One is employee experience, each individual experience. Standardization is no longer our game. It is individualized customization geared employee experience. This AI and human resources can work in harmony, not in conflict with each other, to be able to help each individual employee to grow his or her career, his or her skills. It does mean more than just technology. It means a change of culture and being able to enhance our workforce skills. The other is the ROI, the scale of what we can do through AI to capture right return on investment. Today, with use of AI, we can predict very, very accurately the people who are most likely to be a retention risk, who are likely to leave the company next 12 months. What we can do also is we know exactly what needs to be done. For example, a pay increase, or for example, a recognition, whatever that is need to be done to be able to make sure that we can retain those employees.